Now I'm going to read some sentences to practice the L sound. All these sentences have a lot of L's in them. So, the mountain lake is blue. The mountain lake is blue. I have $1. I have $1. Let's play volleyball. Let's play volleyball. The lamb is fuzzy and white. The lamb is fuzzy and white. She's a little girl. She's a little girl. We chopped the logs. We chopped the logs. She ate her dinner salad. She ate her dinner salad. I heard a night owl hooting. I heard a night owl hooting. His wallet is in his pocket. His wallet is in his pocket. Let's go to the swimming pool. Oops, wait. Let's go swimming in the pool. Let's go swimming in the pool. The limes are sour. The limes are sour. He's holding 3 balloons. He's holding 3 balloons. The hall was long and dark. The hall was long and dark. He has long legs. He has long legs. The leaf fell down. The leaf fell down. And that's it for the L sentences. Hope this helps.